Channel. On today's episode of Making Your Life Easier as a Tailor, I'm going to be introducing this beautiful bobbin winder to you. So this is how it works. You can see, once you open it out here, you will see everything. I'm going to teach you how to do this. All you just need to do is your bobbin and your thread, and then this simple machine is going to do this for you. If this is something you like to learn, kindly stay tuned to the end of this tutorial. Thank you. So this is a bobbin winder. This is how it comes. So on this part, you can use your battery if you don't have light. So you can see it uses the normal regular size battery, and it uses 3 batteries. So if you want to work with your battery, you can slot it there. And then if you want to use your light, it has a cord. It uses type C cord. So you just put your type C cord there and it works. So here you're going to open it up from here, and once you open it, it's going to expose all these parts. So you just need your thread, of course, and your bobbin. So now once you put your thread there, this is where you're going to put your thread. So you're going to bring it up like this and then insert your thread. So once you insert the arrows are there. You can see they put the arrows on how you're supposed to do it. So once you put your thread here, you're going to slot it inside this hole that you see here. So once you slot it inside the hole, you're going to roll it round this plait. Okay, you're going to roll it like this, and once you roll it, you're going to take it straight to your bobbin. So here I'm going to just wind this all around. Okay, wind this all around, and then you're going to this part that has spring, that's where you're going to be putting this. So you're going to just slot it. So you can see the connection from the thread here. You pass it to this hole, wind it around here, and then you insert it. So once you do that, I'm going to bring I'm not using battery, so I'm going to be using the cord, and then I'm going to be slotting the cord here. So once you put the cord there, all you just need to do, it has an on and off button here. You just press on the button, and then it's going to wind this for you. So it's almost filled up. So once it's filling up, it's not going, you need to just be, it's not going to roll on its own again. So now it's done. All you just need to do now is to, you can see, once it's getting filled up, it's not going to roll smoothly again. So what you just need to do now is to remove this. You can see my threads are already there, and then you cut it off. So once you cut it off, you're going to remove your thread, you slot this back in, remove your cord, and then you close it up. So this way you can easily put your thread around your bobbin. It's very fast. You don't need to, if you don't have that on your machine, if that, because my machine, that function is not working again on my machine, so you don't have to go and do it on your manual machine or use your hand to roll it. With this, you can create as many bobbin as possible. So I hope this is helpful. I hope you have learned one or two from this, and if this is helpful, let me know in the comment section. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.